Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DoorDash drivers' bizarre messages about having advice for customers puzzles the internet. So while some drivers actually do try to help the customer as best as possible by giving them some insight of how DoorDash works, some of it is not received as well as it should be, whether it's because of the driver's messaging or whether it's the customer's interpretation of that message, or some combination of the two. But in this case, there's an entire article talking all about it. So with that said, we are talking about everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash UberEats and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman shares screenshots of bizarre messages from a DoorDash delivery driver to a Reddit forum dedicated to the food service. Why can I not just get my food without all the texting? This is weird, the Redditor wrote about the screenshot. Photos from the food delivery services app show the exchange. Yum, yum, here I come. I've got your order. I'll be there soon. Would you mind stepping out and let me talk to you for just a second about your order when I get there? The DoorDash delivery person named Benjamin wrote. You could just leave it at the door. Our dogs will go crazy, the poster replied. I wouldn't have stepped out for that. Or, like, why is it that it's always messages like this that go viral? And I know that this kind of message is going to end up twisting into something about male DoorDash drivers or something like that. And the worst part is I can't even really defend it because this is what was shown here. Obviously, this doesn't encapsulate all male DoorDash drivers or really all DoorDash drivers in general, but this is definitely going to be spun the wrong way. I 100% see it happening. It is weird of the DoorDash driver to act like this. I just think it's going to go into a direction it doesn't need to. Okay, I just had some advice that I really needed to tell you, but that's okay, Benjamin responded. What possible advice could you have given for this, Benjamin? Like, here's some advice for you. Keep it professional. If you're going to deliver on DoorDash, UberEats, Grubhub, or really any of these gig apps, make sure you maintain professionalism. The screenshots prompted thousands of comments from Reddit users pointing out the humorous opening line and the theories of what kind of advice the driver could have. And here we go. Of course, some responses gave the DoorDash driver the benefit of the doubt. I'd like to think the driver isn't really a creep and just didn't consider how yum yum here I come would sound paired with please step outside and talk to me about your order, someone wrote. That is probably going to be the most wholesome thing here, I'll tell you what. Most Redditors predicted that his advice could be asking for tips or talking about religion. Others thought it could be because the original poster had a female-sounding name. There it is! There it is, exactly. I knew it was happening right there. You know what the worst part about this is? This person could just be a socially awkward person, like the first comment said, and that is what people are going to interpret it as. And it's only going to push that person away from wanting to socialize more because it turned out this way. Not to mention, he's probably never going to communicate with a customer again. There is nothing legitimate he could have to say to you that he couldn't just text you. That means he probably wanted to say something he did not want there to be a text record of. Anything from shaming, begging for tips, to sexual harassment, to sharing his thoughts about politics or religion, one commenter said. I mean, that's another good point. Maybe it's not social awkwardness, more so just things you don't want on the record, which is 100% possible. DoorDash does monitor those messages. Another Redditor wrote, Jesus, unsolicited food advice or whatever else. It's uncomfortable and inappropriate. The poster confirmed in the comments that she reported the driver. There's also the other point of, hey, maybe there is something that would sound worse if it was just text. Like, let's say somebody said, hey, quick note here, it's actually really dark out, and if you turn on the porch lights, that'd be greatly appreciated, or something to that effect. That may not come across the same way via text as it would be in person. Like, you're trying to genuinely request for your safety, as opposed to somebody just sending a message telling you to turn your lights on. Also, I don't see any valuable information you could have had about food advice. Like, maybe if you wanted to say, hey, this is my favorite thing, I guess, but I wouldn't have done that with my customer. Like, that's one thing you just don't do, is like try to correct their taste with your opinions. Speaking of, this is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Look, this is wildly inappropriate on the driver's part. Hands down, no questions asked. I don't know if it was intentionally inappropriate, like he was trying to like get in the pants of some girl or anything like that. I don't know if it's talking about politics or religion, or maybe even the GPS itself. Like, that could be another thing. Like, hey, the GPS actually didn't come across the right way. This is what I see. Even still, I would have sent a screenshot long before I sent something like that. I don't know if you could do that, though. Like, is that something that, I don't know. I can't realistically see any reason that a driver's advice would be taken the right way. Whether it's through messages like, yum, yum, here I come, or mind stepping outside. Like, that just sounds weird in general, and I would have 100% reported that driver too if it were me, to be honest. I feel uncomfortable looking at this. All in all, just make sure you keep a professional demeanor with your customers, and if they request leave at the door or hand to me or whatever, just do that and keep any sort of opinions or flirting to yourself, because we're here to do a gig, and that's really all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.
Driven was the only wave of must.